Here we're looking at trying to convert from degrees into radians, and I'm going to zoom in so we can see this a little bit more clearly. The big idea here is remembering that in a circle we have 360 degrees. We also have 2 pi radians. That gives us a pretty good idea that if we go a half circle, we have 180 degrees, and a half of 2 pi would be pi radians. That's the relationship that we want to deal with. So if we're thinking about this, we got 675 degrees. We know we have to get rid of the degrees, so I'm going to put degrees on the bottom of my scale factor here. So it's 180 degrees, and 180 matches up with pi. When we multiply this through, that's 675 over 1, so we get 675 pi, and that's divided by 180. That's going to be your answer. You could also reduce that, but that is the correct answer for this problem. For negative 760, we're doing the same thing. I'm going to start off with negative 760 over 1 and multiply this times pi divided by 180. I know to put the 180 on the bottom because I've got to get rid of my degrees, and this is the only way that those will cancel out. I also see a quick canceling thing. I can cancel out my zeros there because we're dividing both by 10. And I end up getting negative 76 over 18, and my pi goes with the negative 76. Again, you could reduce this, but this is the correct answer at this point. Going backwards, we're going to do the opposite thing. Same idea. We know that a circle is 2 pi and 360, therefore a half circle is 1 pi and 180. If I'm trying to get rid of the pi, I'm going to put my pi on the bottom, and on top I'm going to have a 180. I've also got an easy reduction here. We've got 6, which gives me 30 when I cross cancel there. So we've got 17 times 30. That's going to be 510. And, I also know that my pi's can cross cancel as well. So I really just have 510 degrees. For the next one, you got negative 7 pi over 12. Same idea. We need to multiply by pi on the bottom to get rid of the pi. 180 on top. My pi's cancel out. And 180 divided by 12 is going to be 15. So I can cancel those as well. Here we've got negative 7 times 15 is negative 105 degrees.